Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to receive Bitcoin on Kraken. Before we get started, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. What is Kraken? Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It's one of the largest and most popular exchanges in the world, and it's known for its security and reliability. How to create a Kraken account? If you don't already have a Kraken account, you'll need to create one before you can receive Bitcoin. Here's how to do it. Go to the Kraken website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and password, and then click on the Create Account button. 1. Startitsellit.com. Startitsellit.com. Verify your email address by clicking on the link in the email that Kraken sent you. Once you've verified your email address, you'll need to provide some additional information about yourself, such as your name, date of birth, and country of residence. You'll also need to provide a copy of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to create a Kraken account. How to receive Bitcoin on Kraken. Once you have a Kraken account, you can receive Bitcoin. Here's how to do it. Log into your Kraken account and click on the Funding tab. Click on the Deposit button. Select Bitcoin as the deposit currency. Enter the Bitcoin address that you want to receive Bitcoin to. Enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to receive. Click on the Deposit button. Your Bitcoin will be deposited to your Kraken account within a few minutes. How to withdraw Bitcoin from Kraken. Once you have Bitcoin in your Kraken account, you can withdraw it. Here's how to do it. Log into your Kraken account and click on the Funding tab. Click on the Withdraw button. Select Bitcoin as the withdrawal currency. Enter the Bitcoin address that you want to withdraw Bitcoin to. Enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button. Your Bitcoin will be withdrawn from your Kraken account within a few minutes. Fees. Kraken charges fees for depositing and withdrawing Bitcoin. The fees vary depending on the amount of Bitcoin that you're depositing or withdrawing. You can find a list of Kraken's fees on their website. Security. Kraken is a secure exchange that takes security very seriously. They use a number of security measures to protect your account and your Bitcoin. These measures include two-factor authentication, cold storage, and encryption. Kraken alternatives. If you're looking for an alternative to Kraken, there are a number of other cryptocurrency exchanges that you can use. Some of the most popular alternatives include Coinbase, Binance, and Bitstamp. Kraken is a great option for receiving Bitcoin. It's a secure and reliable exchange that offers a variety of features. If you're looking for a place to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, I highly recommend Kraken. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Kraken, I encourage you to visit their website and create an account. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.